Fortino Matin (1881 to 1963) was an Italian-born artist, renowned for his meticulously detailed and lifelike illustration. Over a prolific career that spanned more than 6 decades, he became celebrated for his ability to capture historical events, wartime scenes, and dramatic narratives with photographic precision. Born on 6 April 1881 in Nepal, Italy, Matan grew up in a family deeply rooted in the arts. His father, Eduardo Matans, was a painter and illustrator who nurtured his son's talent from an early age. Fortaneno demonstrated exceptional artistic abilities as a child, reportedly producing his first commissioned illustration at the age of 9. By 14, he was working professionally, contributing illustration for magazines published by his father. He further honed his skill at the prestigious L'Istituto di Bella Arti in Nepal. There he developed the classical techniques and deep understanding for anatomy, light, and composition that would define his style. Mantan's talent caught the attention of European publishers and soon began contributing to major publications like Italina. His reputation spread beyond Italy, and in 1904 he was invited to England to illustrate for the graphic, a permanent British Illustrated Weekly. The move to London marked the beginning of his international career. In England, Montana quickly became a sought-after illustrator, admired for his ability to reconstruct historical and contemporary events with astonishing realism. His work appealed to an audience eager for visual storytelling in an era when photography as was still in its infancy. During World War I, Mantan's career reached new heights. He was commissioned as a war artist by the Shape, a British illustrated newspaper. His detailed depiction of the trends, battles, and soldiers' daily lives brought the war's realities to readers in vivid, often harrowing detail. Unlike many illustrators of his time, Matania frequently worked from first hand observation. He visited the front line, sketched soldiers, and meticulously studied uniforms, weaponry, and environments to ensure accuracy. His ability to harmonize war showing both the heroism and suffering of soldiers endured him with spared acclaim. After the war, Martina continued to work on historical and dramatical themes, creating illustration for books, magazine, and advertising companies. His interest in history extended to classical and biblical subjects, which he rendered with extraordinary detail. This work often featured lavish setting and carefully researched costumes, transporting viewers to ancient Rome, the Renaissance, or the pages of the Bible. One of his most famous works was a series of illustrations for Look and Learn, a British children's magazine where he brought historical moments to life for younger audience. Matten's artistic style was characterized by a commitment to realism and precision. His illustrations were often mistaken for photographs due to their intricate detail and accurate proportion. He achieved his effect by using live models, historical artifacts, and extensive research. Despite his preference for traditional techniques in an age increasingly dominated by modernist art movements, Mantegna remained a beloved figure in popular illustration. His work bridged the gap between fine art and commercial illustration, elevating the medium of new heights. In his later years, Mantegna's popularity waned as tastes shifted and photography became the dominant visual